Come on, people, come on, people, come on, people. Cooking with Miss Faye, where food is life. Come on, people, come on, people, come on, people. Cooking with Miss Faye, where... Welcome to Cooking with Mrs. Faye, where food is life. Today I will be making chicken thighs with orange sauce. This dish is very flavorful and tasty, and very easy to make. The ingredients are 8 to 10 chicken thighs, red and green bell pepper, parsley, paprika, black pepper, garlic salt, orange juice, and orange marmalade. Bake at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes or until done. When I come back, we will put the rest of this dish together. I am back. I'm sauteing some red peppers and green peppers. Then I'm going to add my sauce to the pan to cook down. Then I'm going to add my chicken. And then when you see me again, it's going to be plated up. Can't wait for you to see it. You can tell, as you can tell, I have the chicken in. I have the peppers, the red and the green peppers. I have my chicken, and I have the sauce that I'm making. Pour it over. And I am going to let it simmer. I'm going to let it simmer. Rub that in. Aren't they beautiful? Believe me, this is going to be some tasty chicken. Yes, it is. Oh, man. Okay. Well, I'll have it plated up for you in just a little while.